So how do you send a Grubhub gift card? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can send a Grubhub gift card to your friends or family. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now keep in mind that there isn't a direct way to send or share your gift card directly to a friend from within the Grubhub app. So the only thing that you can do is you can send them your Grubhub gift card number through external messages applications such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or other social media applications. Once they have the gift card, they have to redeem it to their account. So to do that, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then launch the Grubhub application on your devices respectively. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you're signed into the account. Then you want to tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And then once you've done that, if you look over here, you'll find an option labeled as gift cards. You want to make sure to just tap on it, and as you tap on it, over here you'll find a section called redeem a gift card. So if it's your friend's account and that they have a gift card number, you want to make sure for them to just tap the redeem a gift card option over here. And now you simply need to make sure to enter the 17-digit character gift card code that you see over here. Could be anything. Make sure that they're correct, because even if there is a singular mistake, you will not be able to redeem the gift card. Once they've done so, they can just tap the add to my account button, and the next time when they purchase a specific food, they can simply use the balances inside of that gift card to purchase their next order. That is it for today's video on how you can send a Grubhub gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.